Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enter a house that you got banned from on Brookhaven. So I'm not going to try to get myself banned here, but if you see there's a house and you're banned from the house, you can basically request somebody to carry you in the house if they're not banned. So just go to a person and then select, actually let me see if that person is still there because my friends aren't playing Brookhaven right now. So if you got banned from a house, you can request, for instance, this person. Just select the person and then, well, they're going to press on you and then select the carry hurt or whichever, and you can then enter the banned house. Let me know if this works for you or not. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.